Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johor Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Rupees 15,000 amount to rupees 25,800 in 8 years at simple interest. The rate of interest will be, we simply calculate it from formula. Amount equal to 25,800, principal equal to 15,000, that is 10. So interest equal to 10,800 in time 8 year. So simple rate equal to I into 100 by P into T, that is I, that is 10800 into 100 by P, that is 15,000 into T, that is 8 year. 2 1 1 3 3 5 0 5 3 6 4. So 9% is the right answer. B is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. Two numbers are such that their difference, their sum and their product are in the ratio 1:7:12. The product of the number is. So question number 2. Sum 7 and their difference 1. So we calculate the possible number. Sum 7, that is 1 plus 6, one possible pair, 2 plus 5 and 3 plus 4. If we subtract it, we get 5, so it is not right answer. If we subtract 2 from 5, we get 3, it is not. If we subtract 3 from 4, we get 1, so difference is 1. Add 7, so 3 plus 4 7, so number are 3 and 4, and if we multiply the number, we get 12. So A is the correct answer. Question number 3. The greatest number that divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. First we write the number in ascending order. 3, 43, 91 and 183. First we subtract this from this, like 91 from 183 and 43 from 183. So 183 minus 91, we get 92. 183 minus 43, that is 140, and 91 is 43 from 91, so 91 minus 43, we get 48. After that we calculate the HCF of these three numbers, we get the resulting number. So 48 divided 92, we get 1 So 4 after that we divide 140 from 4 we get the resulting number. So 143. So 4, the HCF of 3 number is 4, so 4 is the right answer. C is the correct answer. Question number 4. The missing term in the sequence 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, there is a blank after the 17, 19. We closely watch this series. We find that 2 is the prime number, 3 also, 5, 7, 11, all these are prime number. So there is after 11 the prime number is 13, so 13 is the right answer. Question number 5. When the price of a toy was increased by 20%, the number of toys sold was decreased by 15%. What is the effect on the total sale of the shop? We simply calculate it from formula. We get question number 5 that x minus y minus xy by 100, that is x here 20 minus 15 minus 20 into 15 by 100. 3. So 5 minus 3, that is 2%. So 2% increase. A is the correct answer. Question number 6. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. If their HCF is 4, then their LCM will be. Two number, so 6, HCF is 4, so simply we calculate LCM equal 5 into 6 into 4. We multiply the ratio, after that we multiply it from HCF, we get the result 120. So C is the correct answer. 7. A dealer mark his goods 30% above his cost price and then allow 15% discount on it. What is the cost price of an article on which he gain 84? So question number 7. Let CP equal to 100, then marked price 130. He gives 15% discount on 130, that is 130 of 15%, that is 130 into 15 by 100. Point over there. So he gives 90 rupees 50% discount. So selling price of the article is 130 minus 19.50, that is 10.50. So if he gain 10.50, if profit, then CP is 100. If profit 1, then CP is 100 by 10.50. If profit 84, then CP is 100 into 84 by 1050, eliminating point 100 over there, so 1 5 2 21 4, so 800. So A is the correct answer. Question number 8. Ram donated 4% of his income to a charity and deposit 10% of the rest in a bank. If now he has rupees 8,640 left with him, then his income is. So question number 8. Ram donated 4%, that is 100 minus 4, 96%. He remain. After that he gives 10%, he deposit 10% of 96 into bank. So 96 into 10%, that is 9.6 in bank. So he has now 96 minus 9.6, that is 86.4%. So he has left 86.4%. So we calculate that 86.4% equal to 8640, 1% equal to 8640 by 86.4, and 100% equal to 8640 by 86.4 into 100. Eliminate point 10 over there, we get 10. So answer is 1000, 10,000. So D is the right answer. Question number 9. The sum of all digits of the number from 1 to 100 is. So we have to calculate sum of 1 to 100. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus, here we put plus 96 plus 97 plus 98 plus 99 plus 100. If we add first and second, we get 101. If we add these two, we get also 101 plus this we get 101. This way we have to have 50 terms of 50 terms of 101. So result is 101 into 50, that is 5050. So C is the correct answer. We can calculate it another way from formula. Formula is n by 2 into first plus last. So n 100 by 2 into 1 plus 100, that is 50 into 101. So result is same, 5050. So C is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, 10. A general, while arranging his men who were 6,000 in number in the form of a square, found that there were 71 men left over. How many were arranged in each row? First we subtract 71 from 6,000. After that we calculate square of that resulting number. So start. Question number 10, that is 6,000 minus 71, that is 9, 2, 9, 5. So 5929 square root, we find that 7 7 is 49, 10 2 9, 14 7. So 77 is the correct answer. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then press the like button. Thank you once again.